Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. Woohoo! Free merchandise lady. You know what? Ever since the inflation, we had to give up some of our luxury items because things are so expensive. But you know what? Some luxury items we don't have to give up. I wouldn't give it up if I knew how to get it for free. Yes. And the luxury item is right here. Whoa. See that? I know you know this symbol. Starbucks. Starbucks. Now, can you imagine going to Starbucks, getting this coffee, or some people like iced coffee, and getting whatever that favorite snack or dessert you like to get at Starbucks with your coffee or iced coffee, and don't even have to worry about the price. And I drink coffee like once a week. But if you're one that like to get it 5 days a week or 4 days a week, what about if you don't have to worry about the price? Wouldn't that be great? You could get your the little snack, a little muffin with your coffee, and don't even worry about the price. I know you say, how's that free merchandise, lady? First of all, I want to tell you about my channel. I'm about you saving money, making money, and getting things for free. You don't have to give up your luxury. You would get it for free. How to get Starbucks for free. That's it's the title. The free merchandise lady. I'm about to tell you. Now you got to make sure that you watch this video to the very end so you could be able to get your coffee and or iced coffee and that favorite snack. And don't even have to worry about the cost. Coming up, I'll tell you. Make sure you watch to the end now. Now, I know when some people go to Starbucks, they might want to get a muffin or something, but you don't have to. You could just get your coffee and just knowing it's for free. Woo, I got Starbucks. What? And everybody don't even know the secret. What is it? It's called branding surveys. Yes, you could do these surveys. Look at this one right here. 4 minutes, 77 points. Like I said, those points add up. Look at these. I got 931 points. What? So when I hit cash out, you see that? Look at that. See, I got $9.31. That's what the 931 points are. And I chose this time, I'm going to choose Starbucks. What? I said, it's time for me to get my coffee for free. And I'm gonna try to have a little bit more than the 931. So if I want a snack to go with my coffee, if I want this coffee or iced coffee, you could get your Starbucks for free. Why not? Why you gotta give up luxury? I would not. This is why I'm the free merchandise lady to help you to make sure that you save money, make money, and get things for free. Look at this. It's called branding surveys. The link is below. The surveys are not that long. And look, a lot of sites say you're going to make a lot of money from surveys. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that you get extra money for you to get the things that you want. If you want Starbucks every day, guess what? Do these surveys, get those referrals. And guess what? And you do that. And guess what? When you do so many, they give you bonus points. When you do so many. Yes, they sure would. They would give you bonus points. So, like I said, if you want to get that Starbucks, look, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and do those surveys. It's simple. Free Starbucks by doing surveys. It's not taking too much of your time. You're doing it right at home in your leisure time. You can't beat that. And the link will be below about Brandon surveys. Also, the link about my other videos about some other things you might be interested in. Remember, free merchandise later about you saving money, making money, and getting things for free. See you next time.